Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have HardReset application on mobile and I'm going to show you how can you easily change downloads folder. At first you have to find some image that you want to download. For example, I will search for image. Here, as you can see, if you go to images, we can hold our finger on some image and click save image. Here we can change our file name, and if you want to change folder, we have to go to click on our downloads. Here we can create new folder or select any other. For example, I will choose download. Here we have to click use this folder, and as you can see, to protect your privacy, choose another folder. So we can create another folder, which is gx downloads, and we can use this folder. Now we have to click allow, and as you can see, instead of downloads we have gx downloads. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.